5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Next, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now stop.
Happy morning. Grade 10 to pass. 28 out of 28. All present. Thank you. Happy morning. Grade 10 Jasper. 27 out of 27. Thank you. Happy morning. Grade 10 girls. 23 out of 18. Thank you. Happy morning. Grade 8 Jasper girls. 9 out of 15. Thank you. Happy morning. Grade 8 C&D girls. 11 out of 12. Thank you. Happy morning. Grade 7 girls. 25 out of 25. All present. Thank you. Happy morning. Grade 6 girls. 22 out of 30. Thank you. Happy morning. Grade 6 boys. 42 out of 45. Happy morning. Grade 7 boys. 20 out of 19. Thank you. Happy morning. Grade 7 boys. 19 out of 25. Thank you. Happy morning. Grade 7 Jasper boys. 11 out of 14. Thank you. Happy morning. Grade 8. 45 out of 55. Thank you.
Happy morning, grade 9 boys, 36 out of 36. Thank you.
Happy morning. Today school attendance 550 out of 600. Get ready for assembly. Stretch your arms forward.
India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Today International and National News is brought to you by Sindhu from Grade 9 Sapphire. International News. Hunger takes over the European Union rotating presidents on July 1st, promising to be an honest broker despite widespread concern over where critics sees as a authoritarian Russia-friendly government. National News. Over 6 lakh affected has floods. Better Assam. More rain on Kutch. At least 45 people died on over 6 lakhs. Others were affected in floods in 19 districts of Assam. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Hashini of Grade 9. Today I brought you state and sports news. State news. Revant to attend Prajavani to meet people directly, receive petitions. News in details. Hyderabad Chief Minister A. Revant Reddy is all set to attend the Prajavani program and receive petitions for people directly from July 16. Sports news. Seniors will play CT and WTC. Selectors to decide next T20 captains Jai Shahan. News in details. BCCI Secretary Jai Shahan on Monday asserted that seniors will be there in next year Champions Trophy and the World Test Championship final if India qualifies for it. Thank you.
Today's weather report is brought to you by Mahesh from Grade 9 Sapphire. Weather report. Maximum temperature 36 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius. Humidity 76%. Thank you.
Happy morning to everyone. Today thought is brought to you by Upendra of Grade 9 Sapphire. Thought. Nothing is impossible. The word itself say, I am possible. I repeat it again. Nothing is impossible. The word it says itself, I am possible. Thank you.
Brought to you by M. Namit Komal from Grade 9 Sapphire. Word. Interrupt. It is a verb. It means stop the continuous progress of the between continuous of. Friends, please well after me. Interrupt. 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 Thank you.
Today general knowledge questions is brought to you by Janai from grade 9. General knowledge questions. When did the Election Commission of India come into existence?
Repeat the question if you are not clear.
India come into existence. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 25th January 1950. Let us appreciate them. On which day National Voters Day is celebrated? On which day National Voters Day is celebrated? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is 25th January. Let us appreciate them. National of India. I'll repeat. Who was the first Election Commissioner of India? No, you didn't pick the right answer and the answer is Suku Kumar Sen. How many election commissioners are there in the Election Commission of India? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is 3. Let us appreciate them. Who is the Chief Election Commissioner of India? I'll repeat. Who is the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer and the answer is Sri Rajiv Kumar. Thank you.